Who says trees are only for Christmas? Looking for adorable Valentine's tree decorations ideas that instantly add charm to your home? Searching for creative Valentine tree ideas that feel romantic, cozy, and fun? Or maybe you want easy Valentine's Day tree decorating ideas you can do with DIY or Dollar Tree supplies. Stay right here, because today we're sharing 15 beautiful and easy Valentine tree decorating ideas you'll absolutely fall in love with. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas. In today's video, we're sharing stunning Valentine's tree decorations ideas, creative Valentine tree ideas, and easy Valentine's Day tree decorating ideas you can recreate at home, whether you love elegant styles, DIY projects, or Dollar Tree decor. What is a Valentine's tree and why is it trending? A Valentine's tree is a decorative tree styled with hearts, love-themed ornaments, and soft colors. These Valentine's tree decorations ideas bring a playful, romantic vibe to your home. Where can I place a Valentine tree in my home? Living rooms, bedrooms, entryways, or tabletops work perfectly. These Valentine tree ideas fit both large and small spaces. If you love creative seasonal decor, hit like and share this video with someone who loves Valentine's Day. What colors work best for Valentine's Day tree decorating ideas? Classic reds and pinks, whites, neutrals, and soft pastels are popular. These Valentine's Day tree decorating ideas feel romantic without being overwhelming. What are the most popular Valentine decorations for tree styling? Heart ornaments, ribbon, florals, fairy lights, and mini signs. These Valentine decorations for tree designs are easy and festive. Would you decorate a full-size Valentine tree or a mini one? Tell me below. What DIY Valentine tree decorations ideas are easy to make? Paper hearts, felt ornaments, ribbon bows, and handmade tags. These DIY Valentine tree decorations ideas are fun, affordable, and customizable. What Dollar Tree Valentine decorations ideas work for Valentine trees? Dollar Tree ornaments, ribbons, florals, and mini signs are perfect. These Dollar Tree Valentine decorations ideas make decorating budget-friendly. For more DIY and Dollar Tree decor ideas, check the playlist linked in the description. What Dollar Tree Valentine's Day crafts can be used on trees? Foam hearts, DIY ornaments, and small hanging signs. These Dollar Tree Valentine's Day crafts work beautifully as tree decor. How do I style Valentine Tree decor ideas so it looks elegant? Stick to one color palette and avoid overcrowding. Clean, balanced Valentine Tree decor ideas feel stylish and intentional. Love seasonal decorating ideas? Subscribe for weekly DIY and home decor inspiration. What mini Valentine tree ideas work best for small spaces? Tabletop trees, cone trees, or branch displays are perfect. These mini Valentine tree ideas are great for apartments and offices. What Valentine tree ornaments are trending right now? Heart-shaped ornaments, personalized tags, wooden accents, and neutral designs. These Valentine tree ornaments feel modern and cozy. For more Valentine's Day and seasonal decor ideas, check the related videos below. Can I reuse Christmas trees for Valentine's Day decorating? Yes. Remove holiday decor and restyle with hearts and Valentine colors. This makes Valentine's Day tree decorations ideas budget-friendly and sustainable. How do I decorate a Valentine tree with kids? Use paper crafts, foam shapes, and safe ornaments. These DIY Valentine tree decorations ideas make decorating fun for the whole family. How long can I keep a Valentine tree displayed? Most people display them from late January through Valentine's Day. These Valentine tree ideas have great seasonal flexibility. What's the best topper for a Valentine's Day tree? A heart topper, bow, or floral accent works beautifully. Simple toppers elevate Valentine's Day tree decorating ideas. What's the easiest Valentine tree decorating idea for beginners? Add ribbon, a few heart ornaments, and lights. Even simple Valentine's tree decorations ideas make a big impact. And that's it! 15 Valentine's tree decorations ideas to help you create a romantic, fun, and cozy seasonal display. From DIY ornaments and Dollar Tree crafts to mini Valentine trees and elegant styling, Valentine trees are a creative way to celebrate love at home. Whether you go bold with hearts or keep it soft and neutral, these Valentine's Day tree decorating ideas make your space feel extra special. Would you decorate a Valentine tree every year, or just try it once? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more seasonal decorating inspiration. Happy Valentine's Day!